Hey folks, welcome to another HeroPress tip of the week. This week we're going to talk about adding custom fields to our custom post types. Last week we talked about custom post types, and you can see what we made then. This is a staff post type, and I've entered Steve here, and uh, there's almost no difference between a custom post type and regular posts unless you make them different. And right now we haven't made them different yet. We have a title and content. This is Gutenberg. That's it. One perk that you do get is if you go to /staff, you get a custom archive of just staff. So your posts aren't going to be in here, your pages aren't going to be in here. So this automatically makes a nice little staff listing. Um, but if we want to get really unique, we need to add some custom fields. So I'm going to show you how to do that. There are a variety of ways to do it. You can write the code yourself, which isn't that hard. There are wizards to help you. There are several libraries. There's CMB2, there's metabox.io, and advanced custom fields. I'm going to show you advanced custom fields because it is the simplest. So let's go to add new, and we'll search for advanced custom fields. And it is right here. And you'll note over here is ACF extended. That's an add-on, and it's cool, but if you just get this thinking it's better than this, it's not going to work because it requires this. So grab advanced custom fields, and we'll activate. And now on the left here, you can see there's a custom fields thing. And fields go in field groups, and we don't have any right now. So we're going to add one, and we will call it staff information. And before we add fields, right here, we want to show this if the post type is equal to staff. And now it will show up on the staff page. There's some other options here that you can mess with. I find that, again, I like the defaults, so we're not going to go over those. So we're going to add a field. And we are going to add first name. And the field name can be automatically generated from this. I just clicked and it just did that. Our field type is going to be text. Here are all the different field types. There are quite a few. You can do a lot of stuff here. We just want them to type in their first name. We can make it required if we want. There's placeholder text, all that stuff. But we don't really need any of that. We just need these first three things. So I'm going to click the number. Nope. How do I close that? At the bottom, I go to close field. And we'll make a new one. We'll make last name. Now, you may ask why we're making first and last name if his name is in the title. That's because you can't sort by last name on a whole name in the title. Where with this, you can sort by last name alphabetically. So there's last name, and again, text. And we will close this field. And we'll put in a phone number. Let's see, is there a phone number in here? There's not, probably because it'd be too hard to do internationally. So we'll leave that one as text as well. So now we have three text fields in a group called staff information. So let's go back to old Steve here and edit. And down at the bottom, you'll see this box. So we'll put in Steve. There's Wilson. And phone number is 616-555-1212. And hit update. So now we have this information associated with Steve. It does not automatically render on the front of the site. We're going to have to do something to make that happen, and that's going to be in next week's tip. So to review real quick, we use advanced custom fields to quickly create some text fields here, and we put the information in and hit update. And I'll even show you if you go to add a new one, there they are, empty. So Be sure to come back next week, and I'll show you how to make these appear on the front of the website. I hope you find this useful.